Here's some Meiji Restoration Impact trivia. Subscribe. What major political revolution occurred in Japan during the 19th century? Is it A, Meiji Restoration, B, Showa Restoration, C, Russo-Japanese War, or D, Taisho era? The correct answer is A, Meiji Restoration. Which emperor presided over the transformation starting in 1868? Is it A, Emperor Akihito, B, Emperor Taisho, C, Emperor Meiji, or D, Emperor Showa? The correct answer is C, Emperor Meiji. What document established a parliamentary system in 1889? Is it A, Meiji Constitution, B, French Declaration, C, US Constitution, or D, Magna Carta? The correct answer is A, Meiji Constitution. Which city became the capital following the Meiji Restoration? Is it A, Osaka, B, Hiroshima, C, Tokyo, or D, Kyoto? The correct answer is C, Tokyo. What foreign policy aimed at modernizing Japan's military? Is it A, isolationist policy, B, open door policy, C, military reforms, or D, Monroe Doctrine? The correct answer is C, military reforms. Which Western nation forced Japan to open trade in 1854? Is it A, France, B, Great Britain, C, United States, or D, Germany? The correct answer is C, United States. What was implemented to promote Western-style governance? Is it A, monarchy, B, anarchy, C, bureaucracy, or D, feudalism? The correct answer is C, bureaucracy. Which Japanese movement sought to adopt Western technologies and ideas? Is it A, Hanseatic League, B, Shintoism, C, Westernization, or D, isolationism? The correct answer is C, Westernization. What naval program did Japan undertake to expand its capabilities? Is it A, Fishing Initiative, B, Naval Expansion, C, Maritime Treaty, or D, Defensive Strategy? The correct answer is B, Naval Expansion. What phrase describes Japan's rapid modernization? Is it A, economic renaissance, B, industrial revolution, C, age of enlightenment, or D, civilization and enlightenment? The correct answer is D, civilization and enlightenment. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.